Welcome back to Debugged. In lesson 4, we learn a cleaner and more elegant way to handle multiple fixed conditions in Java. This is the switch statement. It is perfect when if becomes too long or repetitive. So, in lesson 3, we used multiple as if statements. They work, but if you have many fixed specific values to check, the code becomes long and harder to read. For example, choosing actions based on menu options, days of the week, user roles, or error codes. The switch statement solves this by giving us a clean structure. Let's add this example. Int day equals 3, switch day case 1, println now is Monday. Case 2, Tuesday, and break. Case 3, break. Case 4, unknown day. So, switch checks the value of day. Each case represents a possible match. When a match is found, the code runs until a break statement stops it. If no case matches, the default block runs, in which case the default block is oh, that was a small mistake. Now, the break keyword stops the switch from continuing into the next case. Without it, Java keeps running the next cases one after another. This is called fall through. So, for example, if I write case 2 and case 3, so let's run it. Because there is no break after case 1, because in our case choice is equal to 1, after case 1 the program continues into case 2 and case 3. Sometimes this is useful, but beginners should almost always use a breakpoint, the break keyword. Let's test now switch case with strings. So string role equals to admin. Switch role case admin and break case limited access, case guest earns get guest access, and then break, and default should be an unknown role. Let's run this. Using suites with strings keeps code cleaner than long chains of role dot equals checks, since it is directly identified from the switch case. If several cases should produce the same action, we can group them. So for example, if we have int month equals with 6, then switch month, we can add case 12, case 1, case 2, all of them to do this specific action. Winter, and then break. Case 3, case 4, case 5. Then we have spring, and then break. Case 6, case 7, case 8, summer. And finally, we have case 9, case 10, case 11, which is autumn, and break. Default, we will have that invalid month. So if I run this, we are going to get summer. This is extremely clean compared to writing multiple else if. Modern versions of Java introduced a more compact switch syntax called switch expressions. They don't require breaks and are easier to read. And this is, for example, int score equals 2, string methods equals switch score, and directly we write case 1 poor, case 2 average, case 3 good, case 4 excellent, oops, and default is unknown rating. Then we add also a question mark here, and then system.out println message. As you see, we get average. This way, in general, of casting is calling a lambda expression, and this is specifically a switch expression. But we will talk about lambda expressions more in the future. Some common mistakes we could address is, for example, forgetting the break, as we said. mistake here is that the break statement is missing. So, for example, our program in case 1 is going to run here, and instead of break and return back, it will also run case 2, which is something that we don't really want it. Another common mistake is switching on incompatible types. So, for example, switch of 3.44 or switch true. One more mistake is readable cases. So, for example, you have case 1, then you add again case 1. This is a duplicate case, which is not allowed. So, let's make a quick recap. In this lesson, we explore why a switch is useful, how to handle multiple cases cleanly, the importance of break keyword, strings inside switch, grouping cases, modern arrow-based switch case expressions, and common mistakes to avoid. Switch statements give you cleaner, safer decision structures when working with many fixed values. So, in lesson 5, we move to one of the most powerful parts of programming, loops. Loops allow your program to repeat actions automatically without writing the same code again and again. So, see ya!